What's going on, guys? I want to give you guys maybe a little bit of a game plan that you can use tomorrow. If you're looking for a specific strategy, there's a million strategies out there. You guys can search YouTube. What I want to give you guys are some levels to kind of watch for tomorrow, being July the 14th, especially if you trade prop firms, especially if you trade the NASDAQ 100. So what I'm looking at here is a couple of different key macro areas of concern, okay? We're in a level of, or in a pocket, I guess I should say, of distribution, okay? And what I want to see is I want to see 22,780s get broken to the downside. That doesn't mean that I'm going to jump in short below 780, but I would like to see a closure or some type of break below 780. And then I want to see a continuation, meaning once we break that, I want to see a following higher time frame candle start to confirm that break below 780. Look to the 15, 30 minute or 60 minute view. Now to the upside, there's a little bit of supply that we need to take out. I'm not confident going long until we get over 22,952. Okay, it's your daily 5 SMA. We've got a lot of work to do here for the bulls. The only thing that I can see happening is if someone is long off this Globex open here, going into Asia and going into London session. If you're long now, kind of using a prior higher time frame candle, I would use a 30-minute or a 1-hour time frame, using one of those lows as a stop. Okay, now in terms of continuation, pushing all-time highs, breakouts, let's just get long, buy every single dip. I need to close over 22,950, but I need to take out last Friday's high, 23,025. As soon as that's done, then we can start looking at testing 23,100, and then over 23,100, the chart will probably be on another extension leg higher, another push higher, whatever you want to call it. You might see some expansion going on in the charts. Those are the levels. Again, be very, very cautious. It's going to be very hard to kind of get in and ride a trend when, if you just look at this hourly chart that we're looking at here, the price action is fluctuating. It's going up, it's pulling all the way back down. It's giving you a little bit of a dead cat bounce, and then it's pulling back down. So normal distribution lasts 3 to 5 days. We're currently, rocking about 4 days now. If you really look at this channel, I can zoom out just a tad more. If we kind of look at this channel where, we've got this high down to this low, this is 1, 2, 3 days. We can include, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So we are pushing the brink of another move. Okay, and again, the longer you stay in distribution, the bigger the move is going to be. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Again, be very, very patient. If that means that you need to size down a little bit, and that means that you need to take faster take profits, meaning if you're normally looking for 20, 25 points and you need to look for 10 to 12, 10 to 15 points, do that. If you're normally looking for 10 to 15 points, and right now maybe you need to look for 5 to 6, 7 points, get in, get out, just make a little bit of pocket money so you can continue to stay in business. Do that. But when this chart starts to break down or break out, we want to be fully invested into those moves. I'll see you guys on the trading floor on YouTube. Make sure to give me a thumbs up on this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, do whatever you guys need to do. I'll see all of you guys. If you guys want to join Evolution Traders, that room link is down in the description box below. Also, Apex 80% off. Use code DAnthony. I will catch all of you guys on the next video. Stay safe, trade safe, and make some cash. I'll catch all of you guys on the next one.